Hello friends, Tony here. Now in this video I'm going to install the PHP in our server, and before we install any program, I have told you it's a good idea to update and upgrade our system. So I'm going to say open first the terminal, and here I'm going to say sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade. Okay, so just change this to upgrade like this and hit enter, and we are okay. Now to install the latest version in our system, I'm going to integrate the Andres PHP PPA repository, and this repository provides the latest PHP version for our Ubuntu. So I'm going to say sudo here add -apt -repository PPA : Andres/PHP and hit enter. Okay, now if we search for, let's say, sudo apt search for PHP 8.3, you can see we have here enable the PHP 8.3. And now let's install the PHP, but before that I'm going to say just in case sudo apt update, because I want to update the package cache to recognize the new source, and let's say also sudo apt upgrade as well. Okay, and now we are okay. Now we can install the PHP 8.8 by saying sudo apt install the PHP 8.3, but as you can see here, I have added also the CLI, the PHP 8.3 common, and because we are going to use Laravel, we need them, so also PHP 8.3 curl. You can install only the PHP 8.3 and then you can install separately all of them, but I want to install all in one. So make sure you have add all of them and hit enter. Okay, enter again, and now it's going to install the PHP in our system. Okay, now if I say PHP -v, as you can see we have the 8.3 here. We are okay. Now we need to connect the PHP with the Nginx, and I'm going to open here the Laravel website, and we have the deployment section. So I'll go to documentation and deployment, and we have the server configuration Nginx. Now you need to copy this. We have copied from here until here, and we need to add also this location for PHP, as you can see here. Also we need to have the index PHP, and I think we have there. So just copy this and paste it in the server, and the server is, so we need to cd in the /etc/nginx and cd in the sites available, and here we have the codewithtony.conf. So I'm going to say sudo vi codewithtony.conf, and here I have added the error page, also the location, and just I have changed here the PHP 8.3 version, okay, because here you have the PHP 8.2. So after you added this one, this line of code here, change the PHP 8.3. Now here we have the index.html and the index.php. Okay, let's escape :wq, and I'm going to say sudo systemctl and not status, but I'm going to reload the Nginx. Okay, and now I'm going to open the codewithtony.dev, refresh. We have hello from codewithtony updated, because this is from the index.html, and as I told you, here we have I say ls, we have this codewithtony and sudo vi code with Tony, we have index, next, index HTML, and index PHP. So first it's going to look for index, then for the index HTML and the index PHP. Let's escape, :q. Now if I cd in the /var ww and cd in the code with Tony, here we have the index HTML, and also I have created this index.php. Now let's just show you what is in there. So I'm going to say sudo vi index.php, and here I have added just a message, hello from PHP here, and HTML, and a body PHP echo the message, which is this hello from PHP. Okay, now we can remove that index.html from the codewithtony.conf, or I'm going to remove from here. So I'm going to say sudo and remove -rf index.html, and now we have only the index.php, which means it's going to load that here. So right now we have hello from codewithtony updated, but if I refresh, we have hello from PHP, and now we have PHP in our system and we are okay. And that's it all about this video, friends. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget, if you like such videos, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.